It really depends on how much your weight is when you get pregnant and how much you should gain. So for somebody who starts out at a normal weight, typically we will recommend 25 to 35 pounds throughout the duration of the pregnancy. For somebody starting with a higher weight who is overweight, then the recommendation is 15 to 25 pounds throughout the pregnancy. If someone is significantly more overweight, then anywhere between 10 to 20 pounds is the recommendation, and typically 10 to 15 pounds during the pregnancy is recommended. For somebody who is underweight and can afford to gain a little bit more, the recommendation would then be 30 to 40 pounds throughout that pregnancy. So at your initial visit, we can calculate based on your height and your weight what your BMI is and the recommended weight gain for you as an individual.